Are you frustrated with the activation lock screen on your iPhone or iPad? Wondering how to remove activation lock remotely when your device isn't nearby for repairs? First three options are to remove activation lock remotely with password. Option 1. Remove activation lock remotely on another iPhone or iPad. Go to the Find My app. Hit on Devices at the bottom and choose the iPhone you want to delete. Scroll down and select Remove this device, and continue to tap Remove. Option 2. Remove activation lock remotely at iCloud.com. Input your Apple ID password to log in to the iCloud.com. Select Find My in the main interface. In all devices, click your iPhone and the Remove this device option. Click on Continue and enter the Apple ID password to remove this iPhone successfully. Option 3. Remove activation lock remotely at account.apple.com. Log into account.apple.com with an Apple ID password. Select Devices on the left, and choose the iPhone you need to remove. Confirm the information on the screen and click Remove from Account. Tap on Remove again. Next, we'll show you how to bypass activation lock without a password. If you don't want to share your password or can't remember it, you can ask someone to use this method to unlock your device. This process requires a computer and your iPhone. Option 4. Bypass activation lock remotely via MagFone Activation Unlocker. Run MagFone Activation Unlocker on a computer, then link your iPhone to the computer. Select the Remove iCloud Activation Lock option on the software. Then click the Next button.